Today we have a lot of farm animals. The first one is a duck. This is a duck. The next one is a deer. This is a deer. The next one is a donkey. This is a donkey. The next one is a cow. This is a cow. A cow is a farm animal. The next farm animal is a cat. This is a cat. The next one is a dog. This is a dog. A dog. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next animal is a camel. This is a camel. The next one is a cow. This is a cow. The next one is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next animal is a horse. This is a horse. The next one is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next one is a hen. This is a hen.